Let's see how to send high-quality or HD photos in Messenger. So Facebook Messenger got a new update where they allow us to send clearer and crisper photos in our conversations. If you're tired of the blurry and low-quality photos, then watch this video until the very end if you want to learn how to send high-quality ones. This will work on both iPhone and Android devices, and you first have to go over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure that Messenger is updated to the latest version. I'm going to open a conversation in my Messenger application, and let's send high-quality photos to someone. I'll select the Photo Gallery section by tapping on the little Photos icon, and I can then select the photos which I want to send in HD resolution. Before I select the photos, I have to turn on this little HD button by simply tapping on it. You'll know that it's enabled when it has this blue color. If it's white, that means it's not enabled, and we can just tap once on it to enable it. So when you enable the HD option, just select the photos which you want to send, and that's it. Your photos will be sent in a high-quality resolution, and they won't be blurry anymore. If you don't have the HD option in the top right of the photo gallery window, then that means that the latest version of Messenger simply isn't rolled out for your country or region yet, and you will have to wait a little bit longer until they make the features available for you. Just make sure that your Messenger app is updated regularly, and you will have this HD option very soon if you don't have it now. But that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.